I just wanna hold you all night long. Whenever I'm around you, nothing's wrong. I'm hoping that you'll always be around. You got me on a high, I don't wanna come.
What's up, Holiday family?
So today we're gonna be doing the slime challenge, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I hope you get a thumbs up and subscribe to the video with a
Okay, so show them first
I'm gonna do the glue.
the Elmer's.
Yeah,
glue.
my mom's gonna do it
I'm
because
gonna pour this part for her.
yeah, cause I don't know how to do it.
She knows how to do it. She's gonna pour a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so we
Can
have
we
a bowl.
Yeah, we have a
You wanna
bowl.
hold it
Yeah, I'm
together?
gonna do it with you.
Ready?
Whoa!
Whoa.
Woo!
How much slime do you want to make?
I want to make a lot.
Okay, let's put some more.
That's enough.
Okay.
That's enough. That's enough. Wait, more.
More.
Wait, I'm not gonna feel loud. I'm just. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Then.
Get the top on.
Okay, we're putting the top on.
Okay, now what else? We don't need this going.
I think that we can. We're gonna make poofy slime. So this thing is broken at the top, but we're gonna try our best to get it out.
We could just.
There you go, like. Woo!
I got it. I got it. I got it.
Okay, let's try it. We broke the top. Okay. Let's see, do it.
Okay, after I think so I know how to do it. So you put your
Put that in
hand.
there. Yep.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it on the fifth.
Okay. How about we do it on the counter first?
That's enough.
Whoa. Good.
Oh yes.
Look at this.
Luna, you're getting messed up.
And then the dog, he's jumping up here.
Yeah, she likes shaving cream.
Let's do a little bit more.
You
Pick it up.
Can you use my hands?
Yeah.
Can
Here,
you?
right there. Use the towel.
Thanks, Mama.
You think we might need a little bit more
Shaving cream?
shaving cream?
Yeah. So I'm gonna do it on too.
Okay. Just push it down.
Very hard.
But this is what it looks like. It's just white. We're not gonna use like food coloring. We're just gonna use stuff like. So
I actually.
it was like months ago when she won this slime challenge at church, where she got like a big bucket of slime, of things to make with slime, and she made some of it, but she didn't do all of it. So now she decided
Mom.
today was the day to make the rest of the slime. Okay, there you go.
Do it.
Okay, go wash your hands. Okay.
Mm.
Well, your hands are gonna get dirty, or you're gonna have to stir the slime. All right, you want to add that's enough of this now. So now we can do some of these.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Go ahead. Don't do a lot so then it can work the right way, okay? Oh, can I do some?
Yeah. Wait, I got an idea.
You gonna put all of them in there?
I got an idea, yeah.
No, let's not do all of them because then you won't be able to make more.
I got an idea. So I'm not gonna put a line there. I'm just gonna do it. So I got white more slime.
I love slime.
Look, it's right here.
Oh, yeah.
One activator.
Okay, so first show them how it looks. It's so colorful and pretty. Now we're gonna put the activator.
Activator.
Okay,
I'll
go
do
ahead.
it. I'll do.
You go ahead and start pouring.
This
You
is
pour and I'll stir a little bit, okay?
okay.
As you pour
Okay.
it. Hopefully we did it the right way. Okay, go ahead. Hopefully, guys.
I don't think so.
I think we did. Let's do it. Okay, let's see.
Oh, that's not activator.
It's supposed to work as activator. It's laundry soap.
Okay, let me see. Let me see.
Okay. It looks like it's forming a little bit. Is it? You gotta put more. That's enough. That's enough. Okay, go ahead, stir. Hold on, no. Hold on.
It's burning my hands.
What is?
The activator.
Go wash your hands really quick.
That's good.
Okay. Yeah, that's enough. Stir it.
Okay, I want to see the crustings.
I think it's working.
Oh my gosh, it has to stick it to my We made a big mess. We need to clean up this.
You made a big mess.
I'm sorry, I didn't make it.
Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. It
worked it?
No, we made it. Let's try it. Okay.
Let me see if I made it.
It has kind of a good substance, but not really, you know?
Is it?
Like, here. So, right now the slime looks like a fail.
No.
Because I didn't know what I was doing apparently, and I didn't have everything. So I used this one. We got from the dollar store just because we didn't know what type of large stuff that we can use in the dollar store. It's right next to us. So, if you guys
subscribe this video.
No, we need to ask them to help us how to make slime. So if you guys can give us some tips on what to do better to make our slime, then we can do that. Because obviously we messed up. Yeah, I messed up, okay?
And then my aunties know how to make it.
Yeah, they know how to make it, but
I'll take this knife out.
Look at this.
Because you're ruining my slime.
This is what it looks like.
It looks good though. Let's put some more on it.
Now she just wants to make a big mess. Let's not make a bigger mess than what we have to, okay?
Okay. Let's play with it now.
So, this is how, I'll show you guys how it looks.
My slime, let me show them.
Personal.
My slime.
It just looks like goop.
No, it's not.
It does. It looks like goop.
I like my slime. Oh my gosh, it's turning. Let me go show them.
Obviously, this is a fail. Show them your hands.
Okay, here's it. Then my hands are good.
Yeah, her hands are nasty.
My hands are not nasty. Your hands are nasty.
You can go and play with this.
Wait,
take it.
Where?
I don't know where, but you need to go throw it away or something.
No.
Because it's dripping everywhere.
That's my
So now I'm just going to clean this stuff up.
Well, my mom, I'm putting my slime.
We're just going to do like a set up. See, look at this. This is the mess right here. So, now, don't do that. You're making a bigger mess.
Give me my slime.
Okay. Anywho.
Like my slime. Let me play with it. It's really fluffy if you want it.
Okay. Anyways.
Shaving cream.
No more shaving cream. This girl is crazy. So, if you guys have any tips on what to do to help us do this better next time, then let us know, because we obviously messed up.
A little bit, but that's okay. You can just tell
Okay.
us.
What do you want to say to them? We got anything to say to them, Harmony? Before we go? We're gonna go now. Harm, you want to say anything? Come in the video. This child. Come in the video over here.
And why you send these to my aunt and I didn't think so we didn't do it?
Come show them your face. Come on, come over here.
This is my face and this is my hand. I
Okay.
make sure that you tell us.
Now
On the
tell them
next-
to subscribe.
You're off.
Luna, get down, baby. All right, come on. Let them know what to do.
Make sure that you subscribe, and if you like this gooey slime,
Give us
you
a
guys
thumbs
can
up.
get a thumbs up.
Thank
And make
you.
sure that you get a subscribe and a high five. So we'll see you next time.
Bye.